Something fell from above. We are the Oceana. This ocean is our world, the only world we've ever known. For millions of years, we built our cities in the deep places. We thought we understood everything about our world. Then this thing arrived. It crashed into our deepest trench, too smooth, too geometric, and it was humming. Our philosophers said it was dangerous. Our historians called it a natural phenomenon. The debate lasted 3 generations, but the humming never stopped. We built machines that could withstand pressure even our bodies couldn't survive. The journey took months. When we found it, we understood how small we'd been thinking. It responded to our touch. Inside, we found proof. The galaxy was full of life, civilizations that built and thought and dreamed, and there was a message. It took decades to understand. When we deciphered it, it said there was something that alien intelligent marine civilizations were searching for. And if we find it, we should know we're not alone. We must follow the maps they left us, because they're waiting for us. Someone had crossed the void between stars, looking specifically for us. So we built ships that could carry our ocean with us and learn to swim through the void. We followed the maps to the coordinates in the message, and we found them, the ones who sent the probe. They showed us ocean worlds exist across the entire galaxy, each one different, each one full of thinking life. They told us they seeded our oceans 4 million years ago, created us. Every ocean civilization in the galaxy, they made all of us. Now their homeworld is dying. And they need their children